大家好，我是司徒建国，我在扶贫县 Foping County. Now, Foping County here in Shanxi was classified as a 国家级贫困县 or a national poverty county, but back in 2017 it was pulled out of poverty, and now Foping is developing its local tourism industry, which is brilliant because I'm a tourist. So this is a perfect example of 旅游扶贫 or poverty alleviation through tourism. The 北可山区扶贫项目. Now, Foping County is home to some 130 wild pandas. Hello, you are beautiful. So pretty. I want to take one home. I'm not going to. Right now, I'm at Laojie, one of the tourist streets here in Foping County. Got some little friends behind me. All right, in 2019, before the pandemic, around 1.9 million people visited Foping County, bringing in around 700 million, over 700 million yuan in revenue, which is brilliant, isn't it? The development of the tourist industry here has lifted over 1,700 people out of poverty from around about 510 households. And in 2019, 40个网红, 40 web celebrities were invited here to promote their local agricultural produce. They didn't invite me. Probably thought I was going to eat everything. Yeah. Speaking of eating things, I haven't tried 佛坪的特色菜, the local specialty dish, yet. But the reason for that is because it's a breakfast dish. So, see you tomorrow morning. Bye-bye. Bye. So I've woken up early in the morning to come and get Foping's 特色菜, the specialty dish of Foping County. It is 棉皮菜豆腐. 棉皮菜豆腐是不是？是。豆腐里面的菜是白菜. So it's cabbage in the tofu. This is 棉皮. 棉皮是小米做的是吗？大米做的。大米做的。Oh, okay. So these are rice noodles. So 先要拌这个棉皮 and some of this spice in the 菜豆腐. 这辣椒是富平的辣椒吗？是特产洋葱哦，好吃吗？
是天天的吃的吗？
每天吃早饭你就吃棉皮菜豆腐是吗？
是。
The locals eat it every day. That's why I'm eating it. All right, what should I try first? Let's try the 棉皮. Oh yeah, that's good. It's not as spicy as it looks. This is a bit like a dish you can get in Beijing called 凉皮，口感跟凉皮的口感一样，味道就是辣。 Let's try the 菜豆腐. Now I've been told that I might not like this. A little bit salty. 这菜豆腐咸吗？
不咸。
不咸。
淡的
哦。
这个辣椒里面有盐。
哦，好。啊，不咸。Yeah, it's not salty at all. Lovely. Quite nice actually. 这里面也有大米是吗？
不是蛋，是那个黄豆，你知道吗？
哦，这是黄豆。
豆子做的豆腐。
看起来米饭，这不是大米吗？
大米呀。
哦，这就是大米。哦 ，OK。
你还会讲我们中国话。
啊 ，So there is rice inside in 菜豆腐。It's good. It's really nice. I don't know if I could eat both for breakfast. I will. Don't worry, I will. I won't be wasting anything. 再加一点辣椒。哎，还有土豆丝。Potato, lovely. I knew I was coming. 刚才有一个男的，他把他的面皮吃完了，就立刻再点了一碗，那么好吃啊。晚饭也有人吃面皮菜豆腐吗？
晚上那个是早点。
就是早点。To be honest, I could eat this at night. This could be a whole meal. It's really nice. I've got some on my jeans. That is the price you pay when you eat nice food. Getting food on your clothes. Okay, so the tourism industry being developed here in Philippines. If you get a chance to come visit, do. And try this. Try this. Made me Thai tofu. Really good. Oh, sugar.